Subtracting real numbers. Learning objectives. Subtract two numbers on a number line. Use the definition of subtraction. Use the rule for order of operation when subtracting real numbers. Translate words and phrases that indicate subtraction. Please go to the internet and find the vocabulary meaning for those three words. Minuend, subtrahend, difference. So subtrahend means what? And minuend.
I say تفكير.
What? It's minuend is the number that you be subtracted from, right? And subtrahend means what? The number that you're going to subtract from, right? Well, subtract 2. Yeah, 3. Take away 3 from what? 8. You get how much? 5. 5 is called what? Difference. Okay? Is this clear? Okay? So here, as you can see here, I have, if you have a minus b, you can write it as a plus minus b. Here I have 5. 5 minus 2. Minus times minus. So they give you what? Minus 3 minus 4. Can I say minus 3 plus minus 4? Still same answer. Negative 2 minus 6. Multiply, you get what? Exactly. So you're going to subtract and you get 4. Any questions? And this is classwork. You have to do this. You have 3 words here. You have to find the answer for these 3 words here. Okay? The answer for the number 1. What's the answer for number 1? The number from which another number is being subtracted. Minuend? Okay. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. This one.
Subtract.
So there is the number being subtracted. Subtrahend. And the answer to subtraction problem is called? Easy?
Yes.
That's the answer. Of course, those items here are very easy. Can you do this? Yalla, do it now. Inside your booklet. Finish? At least do one each, okay? The difference. Okay, let's take a look at this one here. The difference. What's mean difference? Subtraction. So 3 minus 6. Okay? Less than means what? Minus. But you have to do what? Revise the order. So you put -5 here, minus 13. Is this clear? Is this clear or not clear? Less than. Less than means what? 2 means what? Difference means what? Okay, so we subtracting this from this, right? And all this less than what? Less than 2. So the word less than is here. Why did I put less than here? Because we have to revise, correct? Revise the order. Yes or no? All right. Finish?
Yeah.
Scuba diver. Again, scuba diver. Scuba diver was at the depths of how many feet? 17 feet, right? Below the surface. Wrecked ship. What's mean wrecked ship? What's wrecked ship? The wrecked ship was 12 feet lower than the diver. 12 feet. What was the depth of the wrecked ship from here to the surface? How much?
29.
Minus 29. 29 what? Feet. Or you can say 29 what? Below a surface. Is this clear? I need someone to read. Please read.
The theory out YWCA showed a profit of $72,000 in 1 year, while it had a loss of $19,000 in the following year.
Okay, continue.
Find the difference between the amounts.
Between the amounts. So this year or last year, whatever, 1 year they have 72,000 profit. And then the next year they lost how much? 19,000. So what's the difference? You will say 72,000 minus 19. Because this one is a difference, right? And this means what? They lost, right? And this one is the gain, right? So minus times minus. So what's the total? 91. So that's the difference. Means the distance between this and this. Okay, the distance between this one, this value, and this value. How much? This is from here to here. 91,000. Okay? Clear?
67.
Do you remember the temperature?
Yeah, I know.
Okay. If somebody standing here, right, on the top of a building, right? Right? He's standing here on the top of the building. And they're in the street. This is the street level, right? But there is a hole in the street level, right? And the hole is like 50 feet. And the height of the building is 200 feet. If he decides to jump for some reason, he reached the bottom here. How far is the bottom from the top here?
150.
Exactly. So that's the question here. From here to here, how far?
Okay.
The distance from being up and down, how far it is. Same thing like somebody jumping. So it's 250. How did I get 200? 200 plus, right? Minus 50. They give you what? Plus 50 and 200. They give you what? 250. Clear? Of course, he jumped with a parachute, okay? Because somebody's saying, oh, he wants the students to do something bad. No, he's have parachute, okay? All right, let's move on.